What's going on YouTube? Lewis of the Way Your Kicks channel, back to give you the final unboxing I believe we're going to get here for 2023. We've had so many sneakers drop all year round, and the month of December definitely had a ton of shoes. Besides Jordans, we had Kobe's drop, we had things from like Adidas drop, I mean we had Dunks, we had all types of stuff. But to close out 2023, we have these here to take a look at, and right away this box is giving you University of Miami Hurricane vibes, but the label on here reads Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG Craft Celadon Sky J Light Olive. Let's go ahead and unbox them. All right, so if you're not new to my channel, you've noticed this is the first time I brought you this kind of view here. Thought it would be a nice addition. In any case, here we have the Celadon green box with the Nike and swoosh written in orange. Once you go ahead and pop the lid off, you do have a lot number written up here in the corner, but here we have the shoes themselves. Now I went ahead and pre-laced them so you could get a look here at what they would look like with the laces, but let's go ahead and look at the features of the shoe. So first thing you'll notice here is the Celadon green all over, and this material is suede and it has a very nice transition to it. I did not brush these when I took them out of the box and went ahead and stroked across. The transition like that was already there, so that's really nice. We do have a debossed Jordan Wings logo there in a sail color, and we have white leather on the lateral and medial side here of the sneaker itself. The swoosh and collar are in orange, but this material is kind of hard here and maybe a little stiff once you go to wear them, but I'm sure after a few wears that'll break in quite nicely. The material itself, when I rub on it or scratch it here with my nail, it actually gives off somewhat of a nylon sound, so I believe that's what it is, but I'm not too sure, as Nike doesn't usually list what the materials are for the sneaker. On the inside of the sock liner here, you do have all orange, and you do have that Celadon green for the insole foot pad with Nike Air written down there in white, guys. I will also say that the tongue, while it is cream colored, you do have the exposed foam all the way around here, which I think is a really nice touch. Now, if you're a fan of the off-whites, I mean, that's pretty much the same thing. I know some of you guys, for whatever reason, you dislike the exposed tongue, but I don't really have too much of a problem with it. The tongue tag itself is white here with Nike Air written in orange. The midsole is a sail, more so towards cream colored looking. And the outsole itself, again, Celadon green. But let's go ahead and take a look at the other shoe that has the Celadon laces in it. And here you have it. Now, I thought that maybe this would be too much of that green, but I actually think the laces really work, and I like the way these turned out. Now, once you go ahead and get these shoes, you can put in any color laces you want. You can do cream colored, you can stick with the white. You know what I mean? I've seen someone did black laces out there. Orange laces obviously are a possibility for this sneaker as well. I mean, it's got a lot of different combinations you could actually throw in here. But let's go ahead and throw these on feet and close out the video. Let me know what you guys think overall on the Jordan 1 High Craft Celadons. To me, this is a great looking shoe that I was really happy to go ahead and cop, and my brother and I will definitely be hitting up those Miami Hurricane games, and I'll be having these here on feet. Now, fortunately and unfortunately, I believe this shoe at some point will be going on sale. How much off, I'm not sure. What the stock's gonna look like, I'm not sure either. It was a pretty slow sellout as far as Sneakers app is concerned. There may or may not be a few pairs there, but there were only 47,000 pairs on the Sneakers app, according to the information I have from Soul Retriever. But I say fortunately and unfortunately because when a shoe goes on sale, especially one that you like, it almost feels like it's disrespect that, you know, people didn't go ahead and cop these to the point where they had to put them on sale to move them. But I also say fortunately because us sneakerheads, we definitely love the cop at great deals. So there's no reason to be upset when you get to save money on a shoe you really wanted. Me personally, I had to get these now because they're also going to be a Christmas present for somebody. In any case, smash that like button if you are enjoying this video. And if you are new to the channel, hit that subscriber button so you can be notified every time I drop one of these videos. This is Lewis of the Wear Your Kicks channel reminding you to be true, stay in the moment, and don't forget every day is a great day to wear your kicks.